We've cut a hole in the structure between the 10th and 11th floor, and we're going to be putting an interconnecting staircase between the two main floors that we'll be occupying in the new headquarters. One of the reasons why we decided to put this staircase into the workspace was to really connect our two core floors. And so having this connecting staircase allows groups from different parts of the business to connect easily, and it creates those collision conversations. Our architects were really keen on creating an environment where those unintentional collision conversations could occur. It's quite an effort to get the hole cut in the slab here. The building is built with a post-tension concrete slab. So in order for us to do that, the engineers had to come in and figure out exactly where we could cut the hole, how big the hole could be. And then once we did that, they had to go back and retension the slab so that the building's integrity was maintained. The staircase is actually inspired by our test rig 918 out at the FMC. During the design process, we took the architects out, we gave them a tour, and the design of the staircase leading up to the driller's cabin really served as the inspiration for this connecting staircase. In terms of material design and the look and feel of things throughout the office, it's taking its inspiration from our drilling rig operations.